Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share Facebook group. So for you to do that, you have to open your Facebook app, then tap at the profile icon menu. Once you do that, then tap on group, then you come up here and click on the on your group. Click on your group. Once you do that, then you tap on the group you wish to share. Once you do that, then you tap on manage. Then give you a few minutes for this page to load. It takes a while most time when this page is loading. Then you scroll down a little bit. Then right here you see on a particular option under community hub, which is share group. You turn on the icon. Then from here you can decide to share with your friends on Facebook, or probably you can decide to share your group with external platform like WhatsApp, or you can even copy the link. You can say link copy. You can paste it to a friend on another platform to join your Facebook group. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.